Yes, Haripriya. In the last class, what we have done, we have completed in here. Acha, the question I have done, the question on this MX form. Okay. Okay. Acha. Now see, the equation. Now let us discuss the the next concept. Equation of pair of tangents. Do you remember what was the equation of pair of tangent to ellipse? The general form. Hmm? Haripriya, did you remember?
No, sir.
You guys are not revising anything. When I'm not able to take class, you do not revise anything. From a point to a parabola to a hyperbola, if I draw two tangents L1 and L2, then you have this equation na, SS1 is equal to T square. That's the equation of pair of tangents, where S is represented by x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. S1 is x1 by a square minus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry. This is tangent equation. S1 I'm going to tell you now. X1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. This is S1, and this equation is the equation of tangent. These all you remember now. The previous classes I have discussed. Once I'm not able to take class, you actually forget everything. You remember, Haripriya? This one we have discussed. You also, Kanishka, you should remember these things. Equation of pair of tangents from a point to the ellipse and point to the circle and point to the parabola also. In the same way, equation of chord of contact. So what did you do when I was not able to take class? What did you guys do? Did you practice something? Did you practice question solving on this coordinate geometry? Haripriya, tell me. No one is saying anything. Kanishka's exam are over. Kanishka had the examinations. So I think she must have not done anything because she must have enjoyed these 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Now I'll have to make you recollect everything. See the equation of chord of contact from x1 y1 to the hyperbola. The hyperbola, you are able, see, I'm not able to hear your voice. Are you able to hear me? Haripriya?
Yes, sir, Viraj.
Okay, na? Hmm. This is the equation of. And so for a reminder, this x1 from a point, if you draw two tangents, these two tangents they touch at one point, 2 points. Suppose I say it is P and Q. If you join these 2 points P and Q, you will make a chord whose equation is same as the equation of tangent to a point on the hyperbola. That is t is equal to 0. These things you should not forget because they are repeated. For that, I have given you one diagram also, if you remember, in your group, which was actually relating the parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. These equations only. Did you see that? Haripriya, Kanishka, did you see that one? You guys are totally out of touch. Okay, I'll show you it. See this diagram. It's still downloading this diagram. Did you guys see this diagram?
Yes, sir.
This diagram was actually, why did I send this diagram to you guys? Because these diagram, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola, same equations, how they actually relate. How these equations are same for parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola, this diagram are saying. T is equal to 0 represents the equation of tangent to parabola. In the same way, T is equal to 0 represents the tangent to ellipse. In the same way, T is equal to 0 represents the tangent to hyperbola. Also, if T is equal to S1 represents the what chord of contact with the midpoint that I'm going to tell you now. It remains same for all the three. Similarly, SS1 is equal to T square I was talking about now. From a point, external point, if you draw two tangents, the equation of this pair of two lines, this is SS1 is equal to T square. From the point to the ellipse, SS1 is equal to 2, the pair of tangents. Similarly, from a point, if you draw a chord, if a chord is drawn, from a point two tangents are drawn, from the contact point, if you connect these two, it becomes a chord. That's known as chord of contact. And that chord of contact equation is T is equal to 0. The only thing, but only difference is x1, y1 is outside here. Same in the ellipse, same in the hyperbola. That's why I've given you this one. Okay, that I'm telling you now. If you would have seen that one, you must have remembered those things. But since you did not take care, so you are not able to recollect. The third thing was equation of chord with midpoint x1 y1. Actually, I've messaged you now. On Wednesday, the fever started to come, and it was viral fever. I thought usually when I get fever, that fever goes down in one day. It was after a very long time. It goes in one day, but then I have taken medicine. Then again started fever on what Wednesday? No, Thursday. Again fever came, and then I've taken medicine morning. Again the doctor said it's viral fever. Then fever gone. On Friday I was having so much cough, means I was constantly coughing, not able to talk only. Throat was paining. Doctor said side effect of viral fever. So all 3 days gone wastage. Chord remains t is equal to s1, where t remains what? X1 by a square minus y1 by b square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. S1 is x1 square by a square